Hello, and this is Joe with VaultSync Solutions. Today I wanted to show you a little bit more with the GDBS Pro system. As you can see, we've updated our website to be a little bit more in line with the design scheme of our own internal Flux CSS. And with that, we still have all of the same information available, and we hope that you will give it a try, log in, and see what's going on. In today's demonstration, what we would like to do is we spent some time over the last few going over HPC. And today we're going to talk about the theory module. So the theory module is a really simplistic way of being able to run theoretical foundations, and beyond your 3-day trial, you'll still have access to the theoretical foundations, and you can get some direct demonstrations of exactly the things that we can do quite quickly with animations and details associated with specific simulations that can occur for whatever solution that you're running. So from math to physics, geology, frameworks, and validation, we can see specifically within our validation tab, we can see all of the things that we currently have canonical referencing for, and exactly what the verdicts are with regards to each of the passes or non-passes with regards to actual sources. And as you can see, for this particular theoretical foundation, all of the references are found to be passing, which is our goal. When we go to frameworks, we can see dimensional renormalization information, Seeth simulations, and hypothesis lab. Under simulations, we have galaxy rotation, e-pooling, Seeth derivation, 10 edge cases, going along with Seeth derivation, RAR, MON, dark matter, Hawking, Einstein, Newton, spark validation, derivation, witness scales, geometry gears, and flyby anomaly. We can go to our information, Shannon entropy, and we can see how the propagation of that entropy on symbol distribution goes. We can click our animation so that we can see how it runs. We can move from information to renormalization, and we have QED into the icing model as well as Lucas, I believe. But again, I'm no physicist, and our physicist advisor is looking over these particular guides, so there may be changes in the future, though I suspect not. Again, many of these things are already evaluated and tested against known values. We can run any single one of them, like under geology, we could do the plates, the dynamo, the isostasy, thermal. Under physics, classical field theory, statistical mechanics, and relativity. And under relativity, we have a variety of different options we can choose. Under statistical mechanics, we can say quantum harmonic, 1D icing, and two-level systems, and we can get a charted graph that identifies the specific values. And this all runs in a few milliseconds, not a very difficult thing for our system to do. We can run different functional elements like Klein-Gordon massive under field theory, which gives us a field propagator, and we can identify exactly where it is and get the output of each one. Under our math, as we were going through, we can test our groups with a cyclic group, a dihedral group, symmetric and alternating. We can go to topology, sphere, torus, Klein bottle, and projective plane and genus G surface. Differential geometry, sphere as hyperbolic, flat, or Schwarzschild. Each one will produce a graph and the noted information of whether or not there's some coherence or what the values are, and we can see which each property is. We can also do number theories. We can use the Lucas ratio or biconditional closures. We can do fixed point collapses, so we can see the animation of what that would look like, a Euler waveform, and we can see our graph and chart below. And if we want to scroll down, we can look at specifically each of the values that are associated as, again, property and value, and whether it has drift or not, and whether if we should trust it or not, etc. Um, so again, that concludes our demonstration of this platform. Remember, you can always email me directly, joe.garrett@getvaultsync.com, or if you're interested in cells for a larger volume, cells@getvaultsync.com. We encourage you to try it out, register and try it out, and see how it goes. You have a great day. We hope to see you again. Take care.